I'm Rebecca Benedict. This is my husband, Kenny. We own the Gualdoni building in Sesser, as well as the Pinup Salon right beside it. This is my daughter, Chelsea. She manages Brewed on Broadway, which is within the Gualdoni building. And this is our other daughter, Chloe, who operates the Pinup Salon. We were just awarded a $2,500 match grant from Landmark, Illinois, sponsored by Banterra Bank. Our plans with the money is to do some brickwork and some tuck pointing. It's the backbone of these small towns, you know. I mean, this building was built in 1914. It's been standing strong ever since, and the last thing I want to see happen, I don't want to see them fall. You know, they're a very important part of the city. This corner on Franklin Avenue and North Broadway is the best kept secret of Southern Illinois, right here in the heart of Sesser, and most people don't know about us. Thank you, Banterra Bank. Thank you, Landmark, Illinois. It will help tremendously in furthering the projects that we have going on here in this building, and can't say thank you enough.